Welcome to the first episode of Dog and Cat. Hey cat, yes you. Your mama's so fat, when you get on top of her, your ears pop. Oh!
Well, your mama's so fat, when she wears a yellow raincoat, people say, "Taxi!"
Your mama fine. Your mama's so fat, she goes to a restaurant, looks at the menu, and says, "Okay!" Ooh!
Oh my dear me. Well, your mama's so fat, she put on a lipstick with a paint roller. Oh yeah!
Your mama's so fat, when she steps on a scale, it reads 1 at a time, please.
Well, your mama's so fat, when she jumps up in the air, she gets stuck.
Your mama's so fat, she's got more chins than a Hong Kong phone book. Take that, cat. Oh.
Your mama's so fat, she's on both sides of the family. Oh yeah.
Well, your mama's so fat, she broke her leg and gravy poured out. Oh.
Oh my god, you're making me sick. Oh yeah, your mama's so fat, when she gets on the scale, it says, "To be continued." Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Your mama's so fat, she starred in the Beach Whales song.
Oh, that's an epic fail. Yo mama's so fat that when they drive around her, I ran out of gas.
And Cat wins this episode again. And that's the end of this Cat and Dog. Oh, that's better.